The aftermath of World War I witnessed a profound reconfiguration of the global colonial order as the defeat of the Central Powers, including Germany, led to the dismantling of the German colonial empire and the transfer of territories to Allied and League of Nations mandates. Germany's colonies, characterized by diverse regions, cultures, and societies, experienced a complex and tumultuous transition from imperial rule to new forms of colonial administration, governance, and national aspirations that reflected the interplay of global politics, decolonization, and the legacies of imperial rule in the 20th century. This video examines what happened to Germany's colonies after World War I, exploring the key developments, transformations, and enduring legacies that continue to shape the dynamics, challenges, and aspirations of post-colonial societies in Africa and the Pacific. Dispossession and territorial transfers. 1. Treaty of Versailles and colonial mandates. The Treaty of Versailles and subsequent agreements, including the Treaty of Saint-Germain-en-Laye and the Treaty of Trianon, stipulated the transfer of Germany's colonies to Allied and League of Nations mandates, reflecting the redistribution of imperial territories, strategic interests, and colonial possessions in the aftermath of World War I. 2. League of Nations mandates. The League of Nations assumed responsibility for the administration of Germany's former colonies, including German East Africa, German Southwest Africa, and German New Guinea, through mandates entrusted to Britain, France, South Africa, Australia, and New Zealand, reflecting the emergence of new colonial arrangements, governance structures, and international oversight in a post-war world order characterized by decolonization, self-determination, and the pursuit of global peace and security. Colonial administrations and national aspirations. 1. Transition to colonial rule. The transition from German colonial rule to Allied and League of Nations mandates led to the establishment of new colonial administrations, governance structures, and policies that reflected the interests, priorities, and legacies of European imperialism in Africa and the Pacific, while shaping the trajectories of indigenous communities, societies, and national aspirations in a context marked by colonialism, resistance, and cultural transformation. 2. Nationalism and decolonization movements. The experiences of Germany's former colonies, characterized by diverse histories, cultures, and societies, contributed to the emergence of nationalism, anti-colonial resistance, and decolonization movements that challenged and transformed colonial rule, governance, and the pursuit of independence, sovereignty, and self-determination in the 20th century. Legacy and reflections. 1. Enduring legacies of colonialism. The legacy of Germany's colonial empire, marked by dispossession, exploitation, and cultural transformation, continues to resonate in the dynamics, challenges, and aspirations of post-colonial societies in Africa and the Pacific, reflecting the enduring impact of imperialism, resistance, and the pursuit of national identity, heritage, and memory in a world still grappling with the legacies, lessons, and uncertainties of the colonial past. 2. Globalization and transnational connections. The experiences of Germany's former colonies, shaped by colonialism, resistance, and decolonization, reflect the interconnected and transnational dimensions of global history, migration, and cultural exchange that continue to shape the dynamics, challenges, and opportunities of diverse societies, cultures, and nations in a contemporary world characterized by globalization, diversity, and the pursuit of human rights, justice, and reconciliation across time, cultures, and generations. Conclusion. The fate of Germany's colonies after World War I, marked by dispossession, mandates, and the legacy of imperial retreat, reflects the complexities, challenges, and enduring legacies of colonialism, resistance, and the pursuit of national identity, sovereignty, and self-determination that continue to shape the dynamics, aspirations, and global connections of post-colonial societies in Africa and the Pacific. As we reflect on what happened to Germany's colonies after World War I, we gain insights into the complexities, challenges, and enduring legacies that continue to resonate in the annals of global history, shaping our understanding of imperialism, colonialism, and the enduring quest for freedom, dignity, and justice in a world still grappling with the legacies, lessons, and uncertainties of the past and the complexities of the